Hi, this is Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we're out here on a GE side-by-side refrigerator. Complaint is that it's not cooling. I'm just going to open up both doors just to verify what kind of temps we have in either compartment. And just nothing technical, just by placing my hand inside to get a rough estimate. So we're about the same temperature on both, I guess maybe in the 50s. So it tells me that the compressor isn't running or isn't running efficiently. So what we're going to do is we're going to get to the back of the unit so we can get to where the compressor is and see what's happening with that. Alright, so we don't damage the floor. We have our glides underneath here so that way the refrigerator rolls out on that. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull the refrigerator out. Before I pull it out too far, I'm going to look at the back, check out the water line, make sure I don't damage that. We have plenty of slack with that, so we can continue pulling the unit out. Okay, now we have room where I can get behind the refrigerator. Okay, I'm back here. It doesn't appear that the compressor is running. I don't hear any noises. So I'm going to go directly to the motherboard, which is what sends our power. On this one, there are 2 1/4-inch screws here that hold the cover in place. So I'm going to take that out, those out. Our panel. Now, on our motherboard here, we have this is our main power coming in, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to isolate wires because we have a common, a defrost, and then a compressor. And I just want to, with my AC voltage tester, just isolate and see where we have power. So we have power coming out there, no power there, and then power going in there, so that's not a good sign. Okay, I verified the board is doing what it should be doing. It's sending power out, so I'm just going to put the cover back on. Now I want to get down here by where the compressor is, take off the back panel, and that is held in place with 1/4-inch screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of those as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the cover. Alright, now that I have the cover removed, I can get to the compressor itself. Put my hand on it. Alright, I can verify by feel that it is running. I feel the vibration from it. And with the cover off, I can actually hear the hum. So more than likely at this point we have a sealed system issue. Just to verify, I'm going to go to put this back on, push the refrigerator back, go to the front, take off the evaporator cover and look at the evaporator just to verify frost pattern. We're going to go ahead and put our back panel back on. Alright, now we can go ahead and push the refrigerator back. So we're just going to carefully slide the unit back. Alright, so we're just going to open the freezer. We're going to remove the racks here. We're going to need to take the racks out. We need to get the back panel off. That way we can take a peek at the evaporator. Look for our frost pattern. Take our bin out here. Thank you. I'll take my light cover off. And that exposes the 2 1/4-inch screws that I'm going to have to remove. Alright, got the screws out. Just going to push down on the panel, remove my ground wire, and lift it out and up. So here's our evaporator. There's absolutely no frost on it anywhere. and the compressor is running, so obviously that's a major problem. So we're going to put our back panel back on. Ground wire back on. Push it back, slide it up so we can put in our 2 screws. Now we got to put our light cover and our shelves back into the unit. So we have a sealed system issue here. The unit is not under warranty, but the customer shows it not to proceed here to diagnose which aspect of the sealed system is bad based on cost. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.